Yes, and for Express GH TV's new host. Lucky and I want me a dear Mestros and your first time now when you subscribe, ya message so be subscribe to this YouTube channel notification bell no ebeba. We don't say ebeba so ama me no ebeba so ama you update bia wo so won sa aye den aka me nua so sa kan video pe mesel se wo be share ama na reche e ya foforo wadwen kire so in the form of atenatene aye no so ye comment no so ya ne hia papa. Mamna wase na ma me thumb up e was a video we so na yenko yensem eso we. Minia Ghana de aye de Ghana ya akono bibi akoso kama die sebe na dwumu ha no de ya che no de ne ho tono de ono so fa ho yehiam so fa ho yehiam na say abrant your friend say eye funny face the comedian. Yes, eye the funny face comedian say stand up comedy the abrant no gba ne ho made papa na dwene mu aka no wabodam anase de ha no de wo mu poti pa no eye abrant your friend say Kwame A+. Yes, I want to stop about Yabeka, the woman potting so at the Achre Ghana for Musu say, yes, and some who being Yasebe Kwakutiko and Kwasha Kwame A+ so Emra.
Because Unya Casa no Manewa, Obejano. So we Unya Casa will be Miano Manewu. To so sister will woo, so you, a gentleman some funny face. Say, when you relapse, so say, Onya relapse on one in him. Midday will be Samia. I think it's a funny face. Or more than. If you ask me, funny face or more than. Oh, funny face or yeah will be. Video no yeah no yeah will be. Woman is scada. Woman is scada. Or yeah will be. Me man is scada. 1 year will be. Nipa or man is capeno to me yeah. I didn't hear. Sikana Iskano Emma Adebayo, Father Dixon, Bolare, because Nkofo e jana semama no. Enti ye omuhu okay, mo jama semama there and then me be come adwen akere mo. Na obia wuti wiase a eduru mpempen so obia no wa check wa brabo because e common ni obi mo obi nti wo no ne yamu.
Yes, according to Kwame A+, ne sem ni nyina se wo bo ne tofa na se wo ka bomu a eya ahokere ena ma brantie no eye sa no me kwakumanu ba bebupo sa no ma we nyina so ne sem a wo kan the questions a no bi se nyina ye sem a eto asum a wo tie otum say yes abrantie no ne ho kire ne papa enye asem kuma no dofo se wo bi wo mo bia because wo hwe first no movement ni sika bia na eba na se na wo tu na na sa sika no hu ni bi ma eya na afa ni tirim wate ase enti we nyina na mu na abrantie na kasa wo nim ni ono so ye dai wo fa mu ena ono so aka ne sa. Dampale yenye wudeni wuye buei. Dampale yenye wudeni wuye buei. What you say IGP na ebu mfumpa ina no. Ena abranti bi friend say Jason. Yes, Jason eba beka nsem bi edifa eye dampale eho. Na ne nsem ni nyina ne say was say fuck the police. Fuck the police. No, ena don success sa and you make attack them when I make attack Ghana police. Na Jason eba bontebeka say not Ghana police so what you say krumwa yeshi bebi ayeshi sikana loki bebi abroki wa podam wankasa obeka nokore wo say nye Ghana police na wono ye den kanu emra no ye adwuma. Mami a your friend say Aisha Modi she loves Stonebwoy wa ba post two picture bi e dey afa Castro e na wono ho na nsem a watwera fa sa picture no ho no nsem editi nsem editwenti me pesem no mienu ekotie sa nsem na mami no so aka e dey afa Castro so ho was say I forgive but I also learn a lesson. I won't hate you but I will never get close enough for you to hurt me again. I can't let forgiveness become foolishness. The strongest people make time to help others even if they are struggling with their own personal demons. I pray. And other some emojis being so good. Allah bring you back to me at Castro under fire. I know these emojis 4. Edit 2 was saying, life has never been the same with you, brother. I still have our ticket to Kumasi. I'm still waiting for you. And all this some emojis be Eddie Egu or say, my best of best fee, you are the best. and on also ebe kan sa kan yoro ho sem kan sem we nyina so e de fa akastro ho a eja ye nyina ani esun na those call silence we be kwa yen sem no so no those call silence for so ba be kan sem bi so e de afa eye na na mama ground any Abeku Santana mo kan straight almost before I will post about the United Showbiz yesterday. I think Abeku Santana fit that hot seat than Mark Brown. He is doing better than hell. His seriousness, attentiveness, and ask more of deeper questions. I don't see too much drama. So to me, no dear, I think that guy could keep that seat. That's my own opinion. What about you? And on also kind of say was say massa say you host to that United Showbiz nipa de no kwen na meaning say was say mame and I say mame a friend say my ground there was say Abrante friend say Abeku Santana at the bond straight up. Abrante be friend say Showboy win him yes Showboy apart say be can same be at the afa eye Shatawale ankasa one ni baby mama any eye Arabi so ehonade asem and Abrante so ewo Edema Express GATV Abrante be post to be can send me the for Arabi who say Arabi is insulting me because I spoke about his master. Was say Arabi did na temper basa enyesem kuma adenya waka ono Shatawale who aka Shatawale ho asemti Arabi did na tem na no kwen say Arabi better free Shatawale kwate ho ache papa was so better friend kwate minim say Shatawale ye gay and I say well yes I know money tin be what this reactions ne ba dia was Arabi Shatawale kwate no o better free ho ache rough and ono so e kan sa na bi a waka isisi ya so bubu yemfumpa bubu ya dwene mu eye nsem bi aba beka no ho tankutu na tie sansam no so mu yie was it yourself you chop your boss Shatawale in girl self see questions ni ye react to sansam no was na wo Arabi kura no wo boss Shatawale ne girlfriend no kura no wudi no we no call you snitch okura yemfra wo say we snitch e wo this ewiase abrabo mu you say wo ka say tie satwi no ene analysis na ye no ha no Majesty self be yokidi that means waka kire wo no Showboy say ja Shatawale na ne ba Majesty kura ye me Arabi me ba that one self we no even worry about your prince title and okura no so sa se we po ye nyanko so o ka kire me say Majesty ye oba no kura ye nyanko so wanim kuro wate labolo boy like you Arabis and on so kan sa it according to Showboy echire mu a Arabi ni na din komo echire mu say masa girl no kura ma dwi no michi ma dwi no kura ma ne ba no kura da ho kama no kura ye me Arabi me ba and on so aka ne sa akire no wait any the Express GATV so sa kan yes ye dia beso mo e wo sa platform kese we eso